हरि ओम। ओम गं गणपतये नमः। ओम गुं गुरुभ्यो नमः। ओम सरस्वत्यै नमः। ओम श्री राम जय जय राम। 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 ओम दिव्य आत्मन, today in this video we will be attempting just to know and analyze the depth of reaching the Supreme Being with the faculty of intense feeling or Bhakti Marga. What is this special feature that makes Bhakti for the divine very, very desirable? What is it that recommends to it our special attention? It is certainly a unique path or a unique spiritual method. Unique because it calls for very little effort. All other practices demand strenuous effort, whereas this is something spontaneous, because this faculty is already present in us and it is ceaselessly expressing itself in 100 different ways. It is because of the fact, the raw material of human nature as such, we love things spontaneously. The child loves the mother, it loves comfort, and when its consciousness begins to develop, it loves colorful things, shining things, moving objects. So, from birth, liking of things is there implanted as the basic principle in human nature. From that time onwards, the whole of life of the individual is a countless multiplication of this single urge as love. The entire wakeful moments of each day in a person's whole life are a continuous expression of liking, being attached. Otherwise, we do the opposite, we just dislike. But liking and disliking has got a pattern also. Anything that is joy-giving, comfort-giving, that which is convenient, soft and nice is liked by us. Anything displeasing, hard, inconvenient and uncomfortable is disliked by us. But even in disliking uncomfortable things, unpleasant situations, we are expressing only liking because we love ourselves. Because of our love for self, that which contradicts our experiencing of pleasant things are naturally disliked, and our own liking is overtly expressed. So this brings us to the realization of the fact that the human nature is a total mass of love. As it is spontaneous human nature, no extra effort is involved here, neither struggle nor exertion. What is required is only a direction that is to be given to this nature in us to make it flow towards the Supreme Being. Hari Om Tat Sat. Om. Sri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram.